Good afternoon, class. Today we will be discussing inferring the meaning of unfamiliar clip words through context clue. Now let us cite some expectation in this discussion. You will infer the meaning of unfamiliar clip words through context clue. Specifically, this module will help you to infer the meaning of unfamiliar clip words based on given context clues. Spell more clip words, identify clear clip words and its meaning. Give example of clip words. Construct sentences with unfamiliar clip words based on context clue. Looking back to our lesson, we have here three conventional words which are written in conventional ways, like gym, bike, math, and the numbers in mathematics like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Question: can you still recognize the word? There are times that we do not want to say the full words, so we tend to shorten them. Brief introduction in our discussion. We have here clip word. The definition of clip word is a word formed by dropping one or more syllables from a longer word or phrase with no changing in meaning. For example, exam, kinder, lab. We have here the image of a scissor. Therefore, we tend to shorten the word examination to exam, kindergarten to kinder, laboratory to lab. Let us take note that there are types of clipping. Number 1, back clipping. Number 2, fore clipping. Number 3, middle clipping. And number 4 is complex clipping. In back clipping is the loss of one or more syllables at the end of the word. Examples: abs, that is abdominal muscle; app, application; bi, bisexual; bra, bracer. And for the second clipping, we have the fore clipping. This refers to the omission of one or more syllables at the beginning of a word. Examples: phone, that is telephone; sample, that is an example; con, raccoon. And for number 3 clipping, we have the middle clipping. Retains the middle part of a word, getting rid of the beginning and ending parts. Examples: flu, that is influenza; tech, that is detective. And for the type of clipping, we have the number 4 complex clipping. It's the shortening of a compound word by preserving and combining its initial parts or first syllables. Examples: we have sci-fi, that is science fiction; we have mid-cult, middle brow culture; we have sitcom, situation comedy; and we have forex, forex exchange. So before we proceed with our different examples of clipping words or clip words, let us remember that there are 4 types of clipping. Number 1, yung back clipping. Pag sinabing back clipping ulit, tatagalogin natin to, binabawas yung dulong bahagi ng salita. Number 2, we have fore clipping. Binabawas yung nasa harapang bahagi ng salita. So natitira yung bandang dulo. Number 3, we have the middle clipping. Pag sinabi namang middle clipping, natitira yung gitnang bahagi ng salita. Okay? So number 4, we have the complex clipping. Ito yung mga compound words, mahahabang salita na pinaiksi nila. Kagaya ng kanina, sci-fi. Dapat yung science fiction, mahaba. So pinaiksi niya yung compound words, naging sci-fi. And here are some examples of clipped words with their meaning. We have the original word, the clipped word, type of clipping, and the meaning. First example, we have the alchemist. When it comes to clipped word, the alchemist word becomes chemist. Type of clipping, it's for clipping. And for the meaning, a person who tries to find a way to change ordinary metals into gold and find a medicine which would cure any disease. Our second example of a clip word is alligator. The clip word there is gator, and the type of clipping is for clipping. The meaning, a large reptile with a hard skin that lives in and near rivers and lakes in the hot. The third one is dormitory. Now the clip word there is dorm. Type of clipping So backclipping. The meaning, a large room containing many beds, especially in a boarding school or university. Our next word is refrigerator. We usually call this fridge, so that is the clip word. A type of clipping, it's a middle clipping. The meaning, a piece of kitchen equipment which uses electricity to preserve food at a cold temperature. The next one is memorandum. Usually we heard this and we call this memo. That is the clip word. The type of clipping is a back clipping. And the meaning of this word is a short written report prepared specially for a person or group of people which contains information about a particular matter. Now let's go to the activity. The direction is read the meaning of each clip words and give its original word. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, this time, pwedeng magbukas ng dictionary kasi ganito naman talaga. Gagamit na tayong dictionary, unlike the context clues na nakaraan, hahanapin na natin sa sentence. But this time, we need to have a dictionary. At the same time, kung walang dictionary, pwede tayong mas mabilis magbukas na Google o Internet. Tapos, type nyo lang itong number 1 hanggang number 5. Halimbawa, you type there, decaf. So, hanapin nyo ano ang original word ng decaf. Kasi nandyan na yung meaning, to remove a caffeine from coffee. Okay? So, number 2, we have prom. Number 3, we have prom. Number 4, we have mic. Number 5, we have dorm. All of this that I have mentioned are all clipped words. Ibig sabihin, nabawasan na sila. So, ang gagawin lang ninyo, hanapin nyo yung mga original word, yung buo. Okay? Next. Alright, next activity. Tapos na yung kanina. Again, dito, pwede din kayo mag-pause ulit. Kasi video naman ito. So, this time, the direction is with the help of your parents. Kung sino mang guardian o parent ang nandyan, pwede kayong manghahingi ng tulong. Using the pictures, nakikita natin dyan sa my left side, meron tayong larawan, give its original word. So, hahanapin ulit ang original word. At the same time, ulit, ilalagay niyo yung clipped word. Original word, tapos yung clipped word. And meaning, use it in a sentence. For example, we have here in the left side, mga larawan or larawan. Yung nilalagay dito sa may collar. Okay? Usually, ang gumagamit ito lalaki. At nakikita na ito sa mga American movies or foreign movies, lalo na sa Western. Now, we have original word. Ano kaya ang original word dito? Next, we have the clipped word. Ano kaya ang bawas or clipped, omitted word dito? Now, kung mahanap nyo ang meaning nito, sulat nyo dyan sa meaning. Now, the last part there is you use it in a sentence. Okay? Mas maganda kung simple sentence lang. Isang subject, isang predicate, or pas kompleto subject, linking verb, yung is, are, pwedeng was, were, pwede na sa inyo, then predicate. Okay? The next there, we have a picture ulit sa kaliwa. So, parang yung may parachute. May tao dyan, parachute. Ulit, the same direction. You have original word, clip word, meaning, sentence. Next, this is the last picture. We have the picture na nasa lalim yan, sasakyang digmaang pandagat yan, actually. Tapos, we have again the original word, the clipped word, the meaning, and use it in a sentence. Now, for this time, we have the pause test. Ito naman ay magbubukas na kayo sa inyong Google Classroom. English siya, Google Classroom English. Tapos, ito ay nakaschedule. Lalabas lang ito sa oras ng 2:30. So, abangan nyo lang ng 2:30. Pero ang video na to, alam ko, i-upload ko na to sa YouTube umaga pa lang. Lalabas ito doon. Tapos, popost ko lang ang clip ng link nito doon sa group chat ninyo. So, at this time, nakikita nyo na ako, naririnig nyo na ako sa video na to. Pero, at the last part, the post test, you need to answer this sa Google Classroom. Okay? So, naka-attach lang to doon. Kayo nang bahala. Pagkatapos ng gawa ninyo, post nyo sa Google Stream. Magbibigay ko ng leeway. Sa mga hindi makapost sa Google Stream, i-PM nyo sa akin. Paano? PM nyo ako sa aking pangalan sa iba friend naman tayo. Okay, so PM nyo ako. Pero sa gawa ninyo, dapat makita ko kung anong section nyo. Okay? Kasi mahirap, hagilapin ko yung pangalan nyo. Mas maganda yun, doon yung pangalan nyo, at the same time, nandun din yung section nyo para mabilis. Right? Okay, so the last part, thank you. Stay safe mga bata. Bye-bye.